Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Put my glasses on. Here, see, I'm blind. Well, not really, just nearsighted. But just wanted to say welcome back, guys. Thank you for coming back to Frankbrox. Let me introduce myself for all the new guys as new girls are coming in. I am BrianFBroxton. This is Frankbrox Art. This is the place where everyone can come and relax and work on their artwork. You know, I wish I could start doing these lives, but you know, I don't know if, I mean, I got like 120 something subscribers. Thank you guys for coming in and subscribing and liking the work. But I guess when I get a little bit more, maybe I could start doing some lives and maybe having some interactions or something. And, and we could just work all together and show our work or whatever. But until that time, you know, I'm just keep on pumping this stuff out. But I wish I had something to show you guys that was completely done, but I don't. But I'm going to show you what I'm working on, and it's really cool. And when I'm done or halfway done, you guys are really, I'm thinking you're gonna really like it. So I'm liking it so far, and I'm hoping that you'll like it too. So check this stuff out. All right, guys, here's the other view here. Everybody seemed to like the World Girls comic strip that I've worked on, or the strip or comic panel, mini little comic panel that I'm working on. So I'm going to continue that, and I'm going to work on the other girls. And I just wanted to show you guys the what I was working on for the second girl. Basically, she's kind of like a big nerd. She loves books. She loves reading, inventing. So she's going to be kind of like the scientist slash, you know, everybody knows how to fight, of course. You know, I like action. I love girls that can fight. So, but she's going to be kind of like, I would say, Velma, maybe, you know, the one that's kind of a little nerdy, got the glasses, and, you know, reads and, you know, solve mysteries, stuff like that. So she's going to be more of the inventor, you know, into books, library, and then also, you know, she knows how to fight. So I'm gonna have to put in a couple of scenes where she, you know, she's, well, I don't know, she's an intellectual, so she may have to use her intellect to get out of certain situations, be it fighting or, I don't know, some kind of danger room or something or whatever. So I'm gonna depict some situations here. This one right here has the potato. Well, I don't know, I guess it's kind of easy. Potato, the light bulb, you know, having a nail in the penny, you know, putting some current, you know, using a potato as energy or whatever. I guess it's basic. Maybe I should have like some microchips or something now. Maybe she's soldering or something. You know, maybe that'll be the next one or something. Maybe I'll put her soldering some, you know, electronic equipment or soldering boards or something in here somewhere. But yeah, I'm gonna figure out like a nice little something to do with her. And then I have two other girls that I have to do. One girl that's gonna be kind of like, she's more of like hood, street, a little rambunctious, wild card. And then I'm gonna have another girl. She's gonna be more like the pretty girl, you know, nice, don't want to hurt her nails, you know, prissy in a sense. She can fight too, but it's pretty. So got two more girls. So I got this one, the nerdy girl, and then, oh, well, no, three. So this one, the nerdy girl, I have the one from the hood, and then I have the girl that's kind of prissy like, you know. So I got that one. Now on TikTok, I don't know if you guys can follow me on TikTok. You can go to either BrianFBroxton or Frankbrox Art. It's either Frankbrox Art. I think it's Frankbrox Art. Yeah. So follow me on TikTok. I'm on Frankbrox. I was very reluctant to get TikTok, man, but I don't know. It's working out so far. And somebody challenged me on TikTok. It's like, hey, if I get a Kakashi illustration, then I'll follow you. And I was like, done. So, I was like, I hate just doing a straight out copy of an original IP. I like to kind of take it and put my little spin on it. So I was looking at Kakashi and I was saying to myself, he looks more of like someone like in a SWAT team or something, because like the gear he has on, he has the vest, he has like the jumper kind of pants, the pants that are kind of flexible, and the shoes, they would I guess would mimic boots almost in a sense. So I took kind of like the generic SWAT team or someone that would be in SWAT. I'm probably have to put like a little necklace with a badge or something. Let me see if I can sketch that on here real quick. I'll just add another layer on here. Extra layer. Name that as badge. And then usually I do this in SketchUp, but I'm not in that program right now, so I'm just gonna I do have a pencil. Let me see. I'm gonna grab my pencil here, turn that, and then I'm gonna do something like that where he has like a badge or something around his neck, like that. So yeah, let's save that. So yeah, I probably have like, I don't know, I may take it out, but I had one where he had like SWAT right across his chest, but I was like, well, I still want to match how his vest is, because he had a zipper down the middle on his vest. So I was like, I still want to match how old Kakashi is a little bit. So that's why I kind of changed the vest to have like a zipper down the middle. And I may throw the little badge in there, but this is kind of like my version of like a real life Kakashi in the real world, I would say. He would be dressed in the SWAT fatigues. I threw in like a little, like a cap with his little insignia, the Leaf Tribe on it. Then the boots that I gave him are actual boots, but I just cut out the toe part to kind of match like his old outfit, because they have like shoes without the toes in it. I don't know why, because somebody could stab him in the toe. Doesn't make any sense to me. Should have toes covered up. But anyway, I thought it'd be cool, like, well, let me cut out the toes, to kind of keep it within that same realm of like his old outfit. But I'm gonna update it with new stuff, with like a realistic kind of look at how Kakashi would look if he was like a SWAT agent or something like that. So here it is. I think it looks pretty cool. I got one little scene to add right here. And then I'll start doing the pencils, or rather the line work, and then I'll color it, possibly. So there, coming down the pipeline soon. And then I was working on my Froggy Show, and I know you guys like, man, that dude ain't did nothing on it, but I did do a lot more than this, but something was going on with my laptop, and then I couldn't save my work, and then I had to shut everything down. And you guys don't know how many times I cursed, man. I was like, son of a bleep, 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 bleep. And after I calmed down, I just made sure I got enough storage, disk space. Yeah, I'm always running out of disk space, man. I'm probably gonna have to increase it on the different software or whatever, the disk space. But So I started over. I'm almost there. This doesn't really take long for some pieces that I already have pretty much flushed out. But some areas going down towards like the bottom, it's not really flushed out at all. So I'm gonna have to go in with pencil and add some elements. Like I want to draw the parents, you know, add some more detail to them. So I probably might go back into the actual sketchbook app and draw them out more. You know, this is pretty much done. This needs some work. This needs some work. And so does a little bit of everything else, but it won't really take me that long since I'm kind of doing filler work, just filling it in. So some areas are done, some areas are not, but I don't think it'll take me too long to fill it all in. So I got that. And the last thing that I started working on was another strip, and it was pretty much based off of some old artwork I did with my friend Elliot. And he's like, man, why don't we, you know, do a comic book or whatever? So now that I'm doing these strips, I can do more. I could do more of like that comic book kind of feel, that, you know, adding all the artwork that I did, adding it to this. I do have, you know, because I want to do a multiple panel page comic strip using the artwork that I did for Elliot. So I wanted to do like partly animated, partly just still panels, and one panel I may animate, and then I probably animate just one panel, and then the other panels will just be just still panels. So let me pull up the actual photo. I'm sorry I don't have all this put up already, but let's see. Oh, I'm actually looking for. Almost there. Just gotta find a Photoshop file. Well, it was. I know it's probably in there. Alright, but this is it. And I wanted to do like an illustration to where the girl walks over to him, sits down, and then the comic strip will take over where it'll show her writing like a little note, and then passing it on to him. But the animation part would just be her walking over and listening to the music. And then the panel will, you know, just go still, like it's like just still illustration, and show like her writing her number down, passing it over to him, letting them know that, you know, there are some people outside. Let's see. And then we'll go to, you know, her, maybe like a close-up over here saying, hey, there's somebody outside waiting for you after you dogged me, maybe. And then him saying like, hey, I'll be right back. This won't take long. And then him seeing the girl outside and like, hey, or whatever. And then showing the group, the pack. And then him maybe over here getting ready to jam. And then all the girls, maybe they're like swooning or something like, oh, you know, something like that. So yeah. So, you know, I'm kind of, you know, I'm gonna replace this guy with him or whatever after I sketch it out or whatever. So yeah, this is the stuff that I got coming down the pipeline, guys. So I'm sorry I don't have anything per se, but there are, you know, cool things coming. So I'm drawing as fast as I can. I get tired every now and then. I gotta rest, relax, but I'm glad you guys are liking what I'm doing. I'm gonna keep it up. You know, maybe I can turn these things into some t-shirts or some prints or something like that. And if you guys want one, hey, you know, feel free to buy it once I put it on sale. But as for right now, I'm trying to knock it out, get it done, especially the Froggy Show, because I know that's gonna be dope. So yeah, that's about it, guys. So thank you for stopping by, and catch you guys later. Oh, and on your way out, please like and subscribe to the channel on your way out, please. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Trying to get it up to 1,000, man. I'm getting there. I'm in the hundreds, so, you know, hey, thumbs up. You know. Peace.